We've been hearing a lot about AI agents lately and how they're slashing costs for businesses by almost 90% in some cases. It's a massive shift.
It really is, but I think the conversation gets stuck on the money part too much. It's not just about saving a buck, it's about what we're actually doing with our time.
Right, when you factor in benefits and overhead, human labor is expensive for simple, high volume tasks. AI handles that stuff without the burnout.
Exactly. You can't automate empathy or complex problem solving. Those are the things only people can do well, and frankly, what most of us actually enjoy doing anyway.
I've seen research showing that digital tools and automated tracking are cutting down on human error in specialized workflows too. It makes the whole operation much smoother.
That's the sweet spot. You let the AI handle the data entry and the basic routing, which frees up the team to focus on the high stakes decisions that require judgment.
And the return on investment is faster when you aren't stuck in those efficiency bottlenecks. Companies are seeing results much quicker than they used to with traditional methods.
It's changing what a job looks like. Instead of being a human calculator or a filing clerk, you're becoming a strategist who oversees these automated systems.
People get nervous when they hear labor cost reduction, but if the AI takes the boring parts, the human role actually becomes more valuable, not less.
You still need that human judgment for liability and oversight. You can't just leave an AI alone to make major calls without a person checking the work.
True, scalability is where AI shines, but the nuance is where humans win every time. It's a partnership between the two, not a competition for the same seat.
If we get this right, work becomes less about the daily grind and more about the creative and interpersonal stuff that makes us human in the first place.
It's an exciting transition. Thanks for breaking down why the human element isn't going anywhere, even as the technology gets a whole lot smarter.
Anytime. It's all about finding that balance and making sure we're using these new tools to work better, not just faster.